So, good morning. Welcome to a quick unboxing. Um, this is something that, well, it's been a long time coming now at this stage. You can see, so on this sticker, I got an award back in 2021 from CES. So these have been, I've ordered these a long time ago through Kickstarter, but they finally arrived. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So these are the ChargeASAP um chargers, basically. So there's the Omega 100 and the Omega 200. They are GAN chargers, gallium nitrate, I think is what it's called. Um, they're Yeah, so a lot of the stuff that's listed on here is they're the world's first of this, that, and the other thing, but by this stage, given how long it actually took to arrive, there's more than likely other ones out that uh, basically are already here. So let's have a quick look. So the difference between the two of these is the number of outputs, and then the maximum outputs of each of these. The 200-watt adapter has two 100-watt USB-C outputs, which are compatible with Apple Fast Charging and Samsung's Adaptive Fast Charging. And then there's two standard USB-A ports, which are Qualcomm QC3, Huawei Supercharge, OnePlus Dash, OnePlus VOC, Oppo VOC, Vivo VOC. What the VOC any of those things mean, I have no idea. Box, so you've got your different details here, basically. So, anywhere from 5 to 15-volt output, anywhere from 3 to 20 amps, 3.25 amps, 20 volts, 5 amps. So these are your kind of, right, sorry, I read that now. So 5 to 15 volts at 3 amps, 20 volts at 3.25 amps, or 20 volts at 5 amps. So that's how you get your 100 watts. So the two of these are compatible with that. Your outputs for USB A, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5. SCP, I don't know what that one is. VOOC or VOC, still don't know what that is. 5 volts, 4.5 amps, so 22.5 watts. Now, the maximum output of these is 200. So if you have, say, your laptop plugged in on one on USB-C at 100 watts, you can charge, say, another laptop at 60, and then you still have two essentially 20-watt outputs for your two standard USBs, USB 2. This one, on the other hand, being 100 watts only, you could have a 60-watt laptop charger. You could have an iPhone plugged in on one of the other USB-Cs. So both of the USB-Cs are 100-watt output, but obviously not at the same time. And then you've still got your 22.5-watt output here. So they're pretty much identical when it comes to the outputs. Now, I did partially open this earlier on because I wanted to make sure it was easy for me to actually unbox it correctly. And there's the brick. So this is the bigger one. So you've got your two USB-Cs, two USB-As. You've got your adapter doohickey here. So that's your plug. Obviously it's an American plug. You got a little carry case. What else do we have in here? So I know there's another baggie with stuff. Ah. Okay, so there's your adapter. European adapter, well, UK Ireland adapter. There's another adapter in there, 2-prong. That's also a European one. That's that one. That's not European. I don't know where that's from. And then, as I said, so you've got your actual UK ornament adapter here. So it's just, as I've just thrown it on the floor. Where the hell did that go? Yeah. Right. So there's your little adapter, which I've just thrown on the floor. This then closes in here. And how does this connect? No, you know what? I did that wrong. That goes. Nope. You know something. Ah, there we go. So that's how that goes on. So that clips into place. And then you've got a button here that you can use over. Handy. So you got your specifications dock, which I've already gone through. You have your travel adapter. You have the thank you note paper. I'm trying to find out what type of adapter this one is. I think it's European. Yeah, it will be European. So, fine deal. So you've got US, European, UK, Ireland. So I'm gonna make an educated guess that that other one is probably somewhere around Asia. That's probably an Asian adapter, the other one. So let's have a quick look at the smaller one while I'm here. Put this up here. Right. Right. Ah. You know, make it easy to take out a package. Oh Jesus, this thing is lots smaller. Wow. Okay. Now this is the kind of thing that so this yoke is big. You're not gonna lose that in the end of a bag. That is tiny. Oh, man, that is a lot smaller. For a little USB-C, a little USB charger, that's small. That's cool. Then little baggie for carrying it with you. And I guess these are all your adapters. Yep, all the same adapters here. So UK, Ireland. No wait. UK, Ireland, European mainland, somewhere else. What did I drop? Don't know what I dropped. Now, let's see. What else? Like, they sent me a baggie or something. I wasn't sure though. I'm not sure what's in this. Let's have a look. Okay, so first things first. This is interesting. So you have a small little adapter that goes to that type of a connector. Editor, turn and put the name of the connector down there. So this slots into place. Doesn't really tell you which way it should go, but it slots into place. And here you have this little adapter, this little connector right here. So if you don't want this hanging out of your wall, if you are going to be putting this onto a wall socket essentially, and you didn't have a place for it to plug into onto the wall, so this would be relatively heavily plugged in, and this would be even heavier again plugged directly into the wall, you can use this. So does it actually tell you what it is? No, it does not. Well, I know that's a standard. Can't remember off the top of my head, and if I remember, when I'm doing the editing on this, if I do editing on this, I will try and remember to actually put in insert name of this thing wherever it is. So that's handy. So you could have essentially this in your bag, and then this will be left in the house, and oh, it still work like that. That's an interesting idea. Will it work if it's plugged in that way? Well, you could have your I forgot where's the button. So you could have this plugged in to your wall in your house, from where the plugs are for it. So that's plugged in, so that's left at your desk, plugged into this, and charging laptop, phone, whatever else needs USB charging, 100-watt output, and then this thrown into the end of your bag with whatever travel adapters are needed. And yeah, very, very cool. Now, the lads that made this do have another Kickstarter running for the newer version of this, which when I looked at it first, I thought, ah, crap, it's typical. I've just bought the old one and now they have a new one. But that being said, it's not a major um, difference for me. Charge ASAP. Let's try and figure out what this thing is called. So the Zeus is what it's called. So this is the world's first and smallest 270-watt GAN USB-C charger. So there's three USB-C ports, 140-watt output as opposed to 100, 270 total, and it'll charge four devices simultaneously. So you could potentially, with this one with Zeus, you could go laptop at 140 watts, second laptop at 60 watts, that's only bringing it to 200. You still have 70 watts to charge iPad, iPhone, whatever else. So they're currently it's currently on Indiegogo. Their what you call it? Their Kickstarter campaign has already finished. It's currently on Indiegogo. Let me see how much are these. Um, Early bird for the Zeus is about 118 euros or $129. They have the not so early bird one for $139 or 127 euros. And then you've got two of them for 236 euros or again $258. They are saying shipping will be May 2023. I'm not 100% sure I would listen to that. Full disclosure, I have bought other bits and pieces from them before. I actually have their this one, Flash. What's it called? Flash Pro Plus. So this is their 25,000 milliamp hour, 92.5 watt-hour battery charger. It's our battery bank. So this is the one. I think I did a review of this. If I did, I will put a link down below. But essentially, this has one 100-watt output, one 20-watt output, one 60-watt output, all on USB-C, plus then a 50-watt USB-A output. It's got a wireless charging pad, which will charge an iPhone or any wireless phone, And then you've got a little place here for charging an Apple Watch as well. I bought these somewhat in around the same time. This arrived a good couple of months back now at this stage, but again, it was delayed. This here has only arrived today, and actually surprised me when it arrived because I wasn't expecting it. Um, so I would probably take the May delivery date with a grain of salt. Might be wrong. They might deliver it earlier, but I know one of the major reasons why these were delayed was COVID. So um, whether that's going to be the reason why, whether whatever issues they've had with delivering this is fixed now at this stage, I don't know. But anyway, here we go. That's the unboxing of the ChargeASAP. What are they called actually? Um, Omega. So Omega and Zeus. So Omega is this one, Zeus is the other one, and then the Flash Pro Plus down there. So, if you liked this video, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Um, I will see you in the next one. If you have any questions, I should leave them in the comments. And I will see you in the next video, whatever that is. So, good luck.